get a swivel. Go get me a swivel. We'll be back. Ready. Okay, quick look back in there. There's your bolt right there. There's the starter solenoid is on the outside. I just disconnected the battery from that. Got two connectors. That little one goes to the starter, and there's one a little bit big, higher on top there that goes to your battery. Whoa, man, tight. Oh, but. Okay, she'll see she moved. Ow. 13. Ow. They're pretty easy to do. $13 on the battery cable. And that's back on. Okay, back to getting that bolt out. It's actually a flywheel. That would actually be it's actually a flywheel cover. Covers it. Dirt and get out of start. Okay, it went. Okay. Oops. There's another wire on top under the battery. Battery cable I didn't see. Alright. Okay. Here we go. There it is. That's what you got left. Okay, these two wires go together. They stay together right like that, and then this one goes on the board. That, and there's where it goes. When it sticks out, there's your flywheel. Alright. Okay. Takes care of that. As soon as I get another one. Video, put it back in. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And those were, I used a 5/16 for that one. Wire on the starter. 13 for the coming from the battery, and the other one. The bolts are 15s, and the little screws that hold the flywheel cover on are 10s. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, and we'll definitely catch you on the next Project Chevy. Oh, there's your long bolt, and then you have a short bolt. And then, again, here's your starter cell. Here's the solenoid that runs the starter. Right here. You got one right there. I got oil in it. Really? Now I got a question. I'm just not getting enough contact because you got oil leaking on the contacts. That's not cool. Ah, terrific. Huh. Well, we're gonna guess I'm gonna have to check that, huh? Stay tuned. Okay. Just to answer my question from previous. Now, the bench test one, put the ground on the ground post, because your ground is your bolts to your engine block, and they're going right on through here. So that's your ground. Now your primary battery is this post here. This goes just your ignition key system. So put your positive on here, ground on there. Nothing happens, right? So what's going to happen is just like you turn your key. Yeah, see? When you turn your key, you should push that, and then as you hear it going out, go back under here. You can watch it. Go this way. See how it goes out? Goes out, but it should spin. It should be spinning, not just going click, 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 click. That's what was happening when she was turning the key. All it was doing was going out. That's telling you your starter's bad. I got one over here for a Taurus. Maybe it'll actually show it do it. But that's definitely bad. All it's doing is kicking out. It should kick out and spin. Let's see if this one will work on this one here. This is for Taurus. Oh, it's not going to, because, well, I don't know, maybe that's okay, because it's broken. So like I said, put it on your positive, because that's your battery. Your ground is right here. This one needs to go here. And then this here is comes from your starter switch. And this one should kick and go if it's still working. Oh, I guess not. Solenoid in this one's bad as well. Make sure I got a good contact. Yeah. Try it. Nothing. Okay, well there you go, boys and girls. Told me the starter's bad. One thing is another. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Project Chevy.